What can you now see? Only the watch, right? So what happens if you are closer and if you are far away? What did you see?
And if we are far from the object, then we can see only the dimensions of the object, only the way the object is orbiting or revolving around its orbit and whatever. But if we are nearer to it, then we can see the inner portion of the object.
Yeah. So in technical terms, we are talking about resolution.
Geospatial.
These are usually the defense satellites. So they are low orbit, they are very high resolution. Okay. So you have frequent observations, and so your temporal resolution is high. How many times you take observation is your temporal resolution. So if you take 15 minutes versus 1 hour, the 15 minutes is a higher resolution. Okay. What is the disadvantage? We already talked about this. You can see less details. Okay. So your spatial resolution is low. Okay. Now we already saw what the altitude of the low Earth orbit can be. And this is just a schematic.
Is that the time between Terra and Aqua is 3 hours, and the equator. The north and mid latitudes are less, depending on latitude, and at the southern hemisphere is more, also depending on latitude.
Yeah, I will show you a picture and that will be more
In India is about 2.5 hours. The time between crossing times of Terra and Aqua. It's a paper that Kaufman in 2007 that describes and tells about the crossing, the interval between Terra and Aqua crossing time. But you can know that in India it's about 2.5, depending also in altitude.
So here's another terminology. You will see this. So that's what they are saying. The geospatial, because they are comparatively closer, have a larger field of view. Therefore, there are a variety of techniques. Depending on your, now how can you change this? The only way you can change this is change your antenna size.